is Scratch. A tool used to make games, but what if I used it to make posters? Would this even be possible? To find out, I'm giving myself 10 days to become the best Scratch graphic designer out there. I started off by creating a new Scratch project. I'm gonna try recreating this poster using only Scratch. Turns out Scratch doesn't support HD uploads and just makes my images look like this.
Bruh.
Thankfully, Scratch add-ons exists and now I can upload images in HD. The HD uploads ended up making my project lag so much to the point where I couldn't even move objects around. I had to resort to low quality image uploads. So I'm finally done and this is the poster I've come up with for day 1 of this challenge. It's not bad, but it definitely can be better. Let's move on to day 2. For day 2, I wanted to make something far greater than day 1. So I began searching Pinterest for the best poster I could find. I ended up finding this one. Obviously, I'm not gonna copy it one for one. I'm just gonna make something inspired by it. I ended up taking a lot more time than I did with the poster at day 1, but I'm pretty proud of how this one turned out. Scratch add-ons helped me here again with the transparency feature, which wasn't in Scratch. So this is how the poster for day 2 turned out. It's definitely an improvement from day 1, but I still think I can do something better. I began day 3 with the inspiration of this poster in mind. Trying to make something similar, I failed miserably. Twice. At this point, I was losing hope and I wanted to make a different kind of poster. So I found new inspiration, and after a bunch of work, for day 4, I did the same thing. I went on Pinterest, got inspiration, and tried making something similar in Scratch. I ended up using this as inspiration and made this poster. Improvement is all about repetition. So for day 5, I went on Pinterest, got inspiration, and tried making something similar in Scratch. I used the brush tool to create kind of a masking effect here. It was pretty easy to make and I'm pretty proud of this one as well. So let me know what you guys think down below. I was really happy with this poster and it's the one I'm most proud of. But the more this kept going on, the more I realized something. Scratch is limited. It lacks basic features that are essential to make posters like skewing, color grading, along with many other. And to be honest, I was losing hope. Using Scratch, my posters can only get so good, and I feel like I'll never reach the level I want to reach. I felt like the quality of my work was being capped by Scratch's limitations. But the truth is, Scratch's limitations are what I find beautiful. Creating complex posters as well as projects even in a limited software like Scratch just simply fascinates me. And I think it fascinates you guys too. And that's why I kept on going. For day 6, I saw this project and wondered if I could create something similar. I ended up coding this background using the pen extension. After that, I added some images as well as text and then made it look cool. I finished day 6 with this poster that I'm really proud of. I can confidently say that this is my best poster yet. Moving on to day 7. For day 7, I didn't have that much time and I just stuck with the usual. I got inspiration and began to work. This poster was quite simple compared to my last one. There aren't any fancy effects, but I still think it's decent. This is the poster for day 7. I know it's worse than my last one, but maybe progression isn't meant to be linear. I also didn't have that much time this day. So I'm gonna try doing better on day 8, where I made 2 different posters. This is poster number 1. I used the brush tool to give the text a bit of personality here. The other poster I made was for the iPhone 16, and this one's not too complex, it's just gradients upon gradients. And this is all I ended up making for day 8 of this challenge. But time is ticking, and for day 9, I'll have to do something better. As usual, I found reference and started recreating in Scratch. This is the poster for day 9 of this challenge. So now, moving on to day 10. Every single decision of my life has led me to this one very moment, and I wanted to make this my best poster yet. I knew the costume editor alone wasn't gonna be enough, so I planned on using code as well. I searched YouTube for any cool effect tutorials I could find. I ended up using this tutorial by Patch. It made my sprites look like this, and now I felt ready. I'm going to use all the knowledge I gained from day 1 to 9. And after a bunch of work, it was done. This is my final poster to end all posters. This is my day 10 poster, and it marks the end of this beautiful journey.